seconds, but I didn't do it right. I didn't leave it on for long enough. I left it on for like 10 minutes. And like I didn't really get the whole head saturated, so it's like real like blotchy. So we're just going to put another round of bleach on this hair. I'm gonna have they help me out so you can see the back and all that, so hopefully the color look more uniformed and more neat, and then I can just, you know, start focusing on keeping it washed, keeping it conditioned. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along on that process to lighten and bleach my hair. Let's see, like you can't see, but it's like patchy. So, let's go. Round 2. They say it takes a couple times, like some of the reviews that I've been watching, to get really light, like a platinum color, like a 613 on the color wheel. It takes like 3, 4, 5 times of bleaching your hair. So this will be my second time. So I'm already on that journey. So I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So some of the products you're going to need, or some of the items I should say you're going to need when you're doing this process, is a brush to sweep the bleach product, whatever, all over the hair. You're going to need a mixing bowl to mix this up. You're going to need your BW2 powder or any type of like powder lightener or powdered bleach. This is the one that I use. And then finally you're going to need your cream developer. I use 30 volume developer. These are the products you're going to need in order to start this process. Okay, now typically when you bleach your hair, if you're going for another color, shout out to my godson, I'm also doing this video for him, so if they want, they can do this process at home. Keon and Flo, love you guys. So you want to start with this process first. Wait about a week, 3 days, however long you decide. The longer you wait, the better for the health of your hair. And then you're going to take the red. In his case, he wants to dye his hair red. You're going to get a red dye from your local drugstore, your local beauty supply store, color of your choice. And after you've lightened the hair, bleached the hair, you're going to put that red dye over the lightened hair, and there you'll have your final product, your red hair. Okay, but these are the steps. Let's walk through it. Questions, comments, or concerns, please go ahead and leave it down in that comment box. I would love to answer as many questions as I can. Again, this is a new process for me, this new hair journey. Oh no, I'm just feeling very experimental this year, and I'm just like, fuck it, let's just do it. Ain't nothing holding me back. Fearless, baby. So let's get started. All right, here we go. Okay, so here is the powdered lightener. To put it in on, you want to also have a towel too. I didn't mention that, but you're going to want to have a towel because it might get a bit messy, okay? So you want to go ahead and open that bag. See that there? It does come with one of these scoopers, so you can scoop out your bleach. Okay, so we're going to do 1 scoop. Okay. Be careful with this stuff, okay? We're gonna do about 2.5. Okay, 2.5 scoops. Honey. Ooh. Oh. Okay, now we're just gonna do that. Oh, right. And then put that back. You should also have gloves on, but I don't have any at my disposal right now, so boom. Okay, here we go. Now you just take your developer, 30 volume, You're going to pour that in there. Ooh, that looks interesting. Okay, and then you're going to mix. Now the key to this is you want it to be no longer powdery. You want it to be like a cream, you know, like a thick cream. So I'm gonna need a little bit more. And just add as you go. If you know, you can't really do this wrong, because if you add too much developer, just go in and add more of the powdered bleach. So this step is pretty foolproof. Okay. It is a process. Just mixing. This should be the last of that. Question: have you ever bleached your hair at home? Okay, so now I don't know, it seems like you can't quite see that, but it is like a cream consistency there. It's the glare. Bleach on this hair to lighten it. The key is to coat the hair evenly all around, so you can get the most uniformed, even look. Because on short hair, if it's not colored evenly, you will be able to spot it, as opposed to long hair where it can kind of just blend in as highlights or such. Not with short hair, honey. So make sure you go ahead and saturate the entire head. I'm so happy to be in this space and starting this natural hair journey, starting over from the very beginning. New year, new decade, new you, new me. Big things, baby. Platinum. Now making sure that it is evenly coated in the areas that I cannot see. You can see she is already lightening up. We're gonna let her stay on for a while. Last time I got like a little scared, so I took her out real quick, but we're gonna let it marinate. It's good. Is it evenly coated? All the way down to the nape, the back of the neck? It's like painting, right, babe?
Sure. Just in the more beautiful canvas.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you, are good.
Sitting up under these hooded hair dryers. I have one in my my little studio here. I have set up in my office. So yeah, just gonna sit under here for 15 minutes and let the bleach lift the color. I am also wearing a plastic bag just for more heat to be concentrated so the color can lift quicker, more effectively and more evenly. Here we go, 15 minutes on the timer now.
These niggas is just not the one thing.
Yeah, I said, yeah.
It was nice though, and I would get it again if it existed. I'm marching back to 30.
But that's also why too I told you to go into the store too, my love. You know, I did. Well now, you know, you can just try shit on right there.